deepest ocean depth of about 33,000 feet, or 10,000 meters. There are 5 major types of ocean biomes: coastal waters, nearshore zone, coral reefs, open ocean, and vent communities. The coastal waters are usually shallow enough to allow sunlight to reach a variety of forms of algae. Coastal rivers also supply many nutrients to the abundant and diverse life in this intertidal zone. Because of the rising and falling of the tides, the plant and animal life such as scallops, crabs, barnacles, and sea anemones must survive the exposures to both air and water. The nearshore zone lies beyond the intertidal zone and is more stable since there is no direct exposure to air. Organisms in this zone are strictly aquatic. Kelp plants protect and nourish the abundant life in these shallow waters. Coral reefs are often found in warm tropical waters. The reefs are formed from the skeletons of the various species of coral, sponges, sea anemones, and hundreds of species of fish add a variety of color to this diverse community of plants and animals. The open ocean is populated by different species of microscopic plant organisms such as phytoplankton, which are consumed by the microscopic animals called zooplankton, which are consumed by various species of fish and sea mammals such as whales. Vent communities lie in the great depths of the abyssal zone where there is no light. For the most part, this zone is cold and barren. Without sunlight to provide an energy source, it was thought that very few life forms could survive. However, there are openings in the earth that look like small volcanoes called vents that provide heat and nutrients to strange clusters of tube worms, white crabs, and clams, creatures of the wondrous world of the marine biome. George Washington Carver wrote, "Never a day passes but that I do myself the honor to commune with some of nature's varied forms." By discovering and learning more about your biome, you discover that you too are part of the biome and belong to the community of life.
Please answer the following questions. Number 1. Geographical areas filled with a major community of plants and animals are known as what? Number 2. What type of trees must lose their leaves in autumn so to prevent water loss during the frozen winters? Number 3. Name the biome that has nutrient-rich soil and is most often used for agriculture. It is often identified as the breadbaskets of the world. Number 4. What type of trees are able to keep their leaves all year and survive cold, snowy winters? Number 5. Why are there no trees in the tundra? Number 6. Where does less than 1/100th of 1% of the Earth's fresh water exist? Number 7. Name 2 of the 5 types of ocean biomes presented in this program. Please answer the following statements true or false. Number 8. In some parts of the world, the chaparral biome is best represented by evergreen shrubs that are able to survive the destructive forces of floods. Number 9. Reptiles, mammals, and a huge variety of insects compete fiercely in the rainforest for nutrients. Number 10. To survive the hot daytime periods in the desert, some animals burrow in the cool ground.